Good morning, everyone. It is Saturday morning. Obviously, not when you're watching this video. It's probably not Saturday, and it probably is not morning. But it is Saturday morning for me, and today I'm going to be showing you how I get ready for my school week, how I organize my week, and how I organize my backpack. I'm also going to be doing a TULA skincare unboxing. And as you can see, I have some stuff over there by my door I'm going to need to hang up on my wall. I'm trying not to let you guys see because my room remodel is almost done. I filmed most of it. I just got to get the last couple videos. There's only a couple more things I need, like a lamp and a rug, but everything else is pretty much furnished. I'm really excited. I'm trying not to let you guys see because I want it to be a surprise, but we're almost under that, so that'll come out soon. It's been about, how many days? The 4th is when I repainted, and today is the 15th, so it's been quite a while, about 11 days since I repainted, and it's just been kind of a process getting these little details in and just finishing up some things, but hopefully that will come out soon, and I hope you enjoy today's video. Okay guys, so I had my first actual day of school yesterday, and so my backpack is pretty loaded up. My teacher gave me some extra school supplies so she wouldn't have to sanitize stuff and everything, so that was really cool. So my backpack actually came back heavier than when I went to school. So I'm going to be organizing that in a little bit. But first up, I want to show you the planner I use. So this is the planner, my academic planner that I got from Amazon. This was actually recommended by one of my good friends. Thank you. And it is super amazing, guys. So this is there's just some planner pointers in here, a guide, and it's pretty cool because on the side it has this little chart where you can put your classes or subjects, and I just have my 5 subjects here, and I have an empty one down here so I can add whatever I want, and it goes from July 2020 to June 2021, so basically a year in this planner, and it has, after every month, or before, I'm not sure, it has this little sheet for notes, and it just helps me stay so organized. Let me give you an example of last week. So, this was a very full week. Okay, here. So, this is my last week and just some of the work I had to do. So, this says, does it say Monday? Yeah. It goes from Monday through Saturday, or Monday through Friday, and then it has 2 little spaces for the weekend. And you can just put birthdays down in this corner, and you can have little reminders here. And also, this is really helpful, it has an after school chart, so you can put the times and what you're doing after school, and this helps me just stay super organized. And like I said, I got this from Amazon, and this is the brand. Super helpful. I think there's about 3 or 4 more colors, and I just really liked the maroon, so that's what I picked. So that helps me stay really organized. And then also what I like to do on school mornings, if I'm just kind of stressed and I need like a guide, I'll do like a checklist. Checklists are my best friend. I love checklists. I'm not a checklist fanatic or anything, but I just like checklists. Anyway, that helps me stay organized, and so do checklists. And also having a good morning routine, just knowing what I'm going to do instead of just like waking up and just doing stuff. I just like knowing what I'm going to do. And then next we are going to actually put some stuff in my planner for the week and get some of that done. Okay, so this is my backpack. Oh my gosh, I need to weigh this thing. Like I said, I have a bunch of unnecessary stuff in there right now because I got a bunch of supplies for my teacher. And so I'm just going to take everything out and separate the necessary from the unnecessary. I'm going to put the unnecessary back on my bookshelf so I can just go get it when I do school each week. And then I'm just going to put it back in an organized fashion. But first I think I'm going to weigh this. Okay, it does not seem like it to me, but this backpack is actually 22 pounds. And there's unnecessary things in here. And more things I could put in. But literally, it's as big as me. Like, for real, guys. So, I'm just going to take the stuff out and organize it now. Guys, look at all this school. And look at that massive amount of flashcards. Wow. Okay, so my backpack is pretty much all back together and organized. Not sure how much weight I actually took off because I actually, when I went back to our schoolroom to put some of the unnecessary stuff up, I found some other necessary stuff that I actually needed. So I put 2 more books back in my bag, but still it feels good to have it all organized and like clean. And so now I can kind of relax. It's a Saturday after all. Got some stuff on my planner, so I feel pretty good. And so now I am ready to do the TULA skincare unboxing. I'm so excited. Okay, usually when I do beauty unboxings, I usually go into my bathroom because there's a really pretty white wall in there. But I'm actually really liking the lighting, so I'm actually just going to stay right here. But here is my TULA skincare box. I'm so excited. It's a pretty good size. I'm just going to open this up. Oh my goodness. I love the mystery. Just kidding, I've already looked through it, but you didn't have to know that. I'm gonna take out the paper. Oops. We have a packing slip, and then we have this little cute paper talking about their new Courtney Shields product. I want to try that someday, maybe. Oh my word. Okay, so our first product is this Acne All-Stars routine. Looks like they got a pretty good deal. So this is just like a big skincare package. It says probiotic skincare. So included in this package are the Keep It Clear Acne Foam Cleanser, which I think is this big one, and then the Clear It Up Acne Clearing and Tone Correcting Gel. Actually, I do have this one. This is something they sent me in the last package they sent me. And then also they have the Breakout Star Oil-Free Acne Moisturizer, which is this one. And I also have this one from the last time they mailed me some products, which was super awesome. I'll get those out in a minute, actually, and I'll tell you how that's going. But this is super awesome package. The last product in the box is this. Oh, found it. It's shiny, obviously. Another probiotic skincare, Protect and Glow Daily Sunscreen, Gel Broad Spectrum SPF 30. Kind of a glare, sorry guys, but this is it. Good size, I like it. Sunscreen has never really been a part of my skincare routine, which it probably should be, so I'm actually really excited to try this. Let's open it up. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. It's like a perfect size to fit in your purse or your bag, and I'm really actually excited to integrate this into my morning routine because it's actually never been and it should be. So, yay, I'm excited to try that. I just want to thank TULA for sending me this awesome care package. Some of these products I've actually never tried, so that's awesome. Now I'm going to review the products that they have sent me and I have tried. And I just want to tell you guys how that's been going for me and how they work. Okay, so my morning routine usually consists of, this is my first step usually. This is, you probably saw in one of my past videos, my past TULA video. This is a super calm, gentle milk cleanser. This stuff smells amazing and it doesn't burn my face at all, which is awesome because I have pretty sensitive skin. This is usually my first step. And then after my face dries, I use this Clear It Up toning gel, which is also in this package. And it works pretty good. And then this moisturizer isn't a super thick one and it's not super thin, it's right in the middle. So I really like this and it's a perfect size. And that was also in this package. But what I'm really excited for is this, because I've never tried this one. So yeah, this is my morning routine, and I'm a big fan. I love TULA. They're awesome. Thank you again, TULA. Go try them. Check them out, guys. They are really amazing. Like, it's all probiotic skincare. Clean and effective. I love it. Go check them out, guys. I'll leave a link to their site in my description, so all you have to do is scroll down there and click that to go check out their site. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed watching this video today, and I hope you got some ideas for how to organize for school, and enjoyed seeing these products from TULA that I'm really excited to try. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to see more videos from me. See you next time. Bye!